Hey everybody, welcome to the show. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I'm going to be showing off some keys today. A great set of keys. These are for heavy equipment and it's 24 keys. And boy, these will really open up a lot of things. They're pre-cut keys. They're from bluedogkeys.com. They're for, what does it say? Equipment key set 24. So this model is the BDEKS24. Nice set. Let's get a close look at these bad boys. I think you're gonna like them. Yeah. This is what comes in the package. Nice, huh? Get some paperwork. That's the model, BDEKS24 equipment key set. There's the keys. What we've all been waiting for. Look at that, and they're pre-cut. And this is the information, the bag that these keys were housed in. Right there. Nice to know, huh? Here's the key set. Really well built. You have some plastic heads, all pre-cut. Try to do that. It'd be impossible. Here's the model and make of things that they go to. Great, and this also came in the package. And now I have a community link right here, a community post of the keys right there. Please stay till the end. You'll get to see all about the community post and some other goodies. Yeah, let's get back to the show. Close up. That's the keys. So if you get lost and you need to find them, I've already did all the footwork for these keys. And if you need software to cut keys like this, look no further. Generic Code. That's the company that is selling these keys, makes that software. Isn't that cool? So you have bluedogkeys.com is where you get these keys. Yeah. I want to show you that you may not know about YouTube. Do you know about posting? Posting. So if you go to my main cover page, which looks like this, isn't that cool? And you go to the word post. Now under that word, you're going to notice all kinds of goodies. Look at my latest posts. Now if you want to learn a lot of in-depth things, go to my posts. I have all kinds of articles that I have posted about gravers. Look at this cool one right here. It's a little pricey, but boy, is that a beaut. Look at that thing. All right, now keep going down, and we're going to go down to, ooh, there's a good one. Lubrication to use on your lock picking adventures. Oh, there's a portable, compact design fume extractor. That is great. It's made by this company right here, Nova Spig. That's a great company, by the way. And then you can see all about leashes, the reference guide, and you're going to keep going down. There's a great ladder if you need it. We're going to go down to something that'll be near and dear to your heart, because it has a lot of relevance on this video today. This is a great tool, by the way. There's generic code. Now that's the software you're going to need to cut some of these keys that are not pre-cut. And this is all by BlueDogKeys.com. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the key choice today, and that is going to be the 24. So this is 24 pieces of equipment. Well, actually a lot more than that. But they have 24 keys that they sell as a kit. Instead of the big 40, you can get the 24. And look at how many keys you get in that. 24 beautiful keys that will operate your big heavy equipment. So if you are a gold miner and you have tons of equipment sitting around, you need the 24. Now see, you can cut these key blanks on generic code. And there's the 24 great keys and the things they will open. Look at all the goodies. I highly suggest you go to Blue Dog Keys and get these bad boys. It will make your life a lot easier. It really will. And the cool thing about my posts, they stay up there like a website forever. It says read more. Oh, looky there. It'll operate all these pieces of heavy machinery, and you have a hot link that takes you straight to their keys at BlueDogKeys.com, and you can get the BDEKS24. So if you're a locksmith, you can buy them from these guys. But if you're not, and you tell them your story, maybe you're a gold miner way up in the Yukon, and you say, hey, I need these keys, and they might just cut you a deal. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just telling you. I would try it if you gotta have these keys. Explain it to Phil. He's a great guy, and he'll probably be able to allow you to do certain things that may not otherwise be available to most people. Especially if you're a gold miner and you have a show up in the Yukon. Maybe Gold Rush. Ooh, yeah. So Blue Dog Keys is a way to get this stuff. I'm just saying, go to my post. You're going to love it. And you're going to be able to find everything you want to find about what I'm highly suggesting. I have in-depth posts. I really do. You just go to this ribbon and you just touch post, and there's the goodies. You may not have known that about YouTube. It's really a great thing. I love it. Highly suggest it. And there's a key engraver you won't regret. So there you have it, guys. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I hope you have enjoyed the show. Again, Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you on the next one.